Yo, hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another reaction video from Japan. And this is my first time react to Miss Green Kyoshin Show. So guys, before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button so you are always updated in my reaction video. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get started!
世界の悲しみがすべて見えてしまったら、
Oh!
僕はどうで生きていけはしないから、うまいことできた世界が嫌になるほど、
So guys, maganda yung music, meaningful lyrics, good musical instruments, maganda pakinggan.
僕は僕の悲しみで精一杯なの。見ちゃいけないなら僕がいけないなら針と糸すぐほら持ってきてよ。塞いでしまうから塗ってしまうから最後にまとめて全部見してよ。
Sounds is good. So yung sounds effect, yung mga instruments na tumutugtog, magaling sila. So mas dumaragdag sa kagandahan ng awitin. Maganda yung tugtugan, yung mga tumutugtog ng instruments, at masasabi ko na professional talaga sila. So mas lalong gumaganda yung awitin. So may pagka emotional yung song. So yung mga music ng Japanese song, kung papakinggan mo ng mabuti, maganda pakinggan. Kasi sila ay talagang very talented sa pag-awit. Sounds is good. Very nice song. So ramdam mo yung kanta na emotional, pero maganda pinapahiwatig ng kanta. Maganda yung mensahe ng awitin. So maganda yung boses at sumabay pa yung mga musical instrument na ang gagaling nila tumugtog ng guitar. So mas lalong gumaganda yung awitin. So pakinggan pa natin. Powerful song. Very meaningful lyrics. maganda yung song, no? At mararamdaman mo yung umaawit na galing talaga sa puso. At siguro kung live performance to, napakaganda manood. Kasi ang ganda ng awitin at kung papakinggan mo ay may pinapahiwatig na mensahe. May pagka-emotional tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, pero maganda yung awitin kung iyong iintindihin. Then basta Japanese song music, mahal ko dahil ang gagaling nila kumanta, very talented sila sa pag-awit at magaganda naman yung mga song nila. So pakinggan pa natin.
先にも本当なら本当さなんて素晴らしい世界だってなんでなんだか広いそうしと思うけど
So hanga ako sa mga tumutugtog ng instruments na mga kasama niya na ang gagaling tumugtog. Mas lalong gumaganda yung kanta at yung inaawit niya mas lalong nabibigyan ng hustisya dahil sa mga instruments. Kaya maganda pakinggan lalo. Bukod sa maganda yung boses at maganda yung pahiwatig ng kanta.
何をポケット歌ってるのさこの確かのがこれなんでしょう勇気を持って拳出して好きなようにやっちゃって
Wow! So, audio lang ito pero parang sa pakiramdam ko nanonood ako ng live performance. Ang galing at maganda yung music, maganda pakinggan. Guys, alam nyo ba yung Miss Green Apple? Itong song na ito ay sikat ito sa Japan. So very popular itong kanta na ito sa Japan. So maganda yung music nila. Wow! Wow, powerful voice, meaningful lyrics, very pleasant to listen. Wow, Miss Green Apple, Kyoshin Show, audio, very nice performance. So guys, this is my first time react to Miss Green, but I'm amazed because very nice music, very nice voice, and the playing instruments, very talented, very professional. So very nice performance, guys. So guys, that's the video, and see you again in my reaction video. Thank you for watching.